Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and in this video, what I'm going to show you is not just a proud moment for us, but for everyone who belongs to India, because this is work from Indian artisans. Our people are making such beautiful, such amazing the units. I'll show you in detail, and then you will also realize how much work and how much effort, how much artistic talent is required to get something like this. And this is getting right done here in India for the globe, for the global clients, for the architects, for the interior designers, for the homeowners who love to have something really designer and different, exclusive product, furniture in fact, for their homes. What we have here is a four-seater, a three-seater, two chairs. We have got two side tables, side stools also you can call them, and a beautiful and amazing center table that I'll show you a little later, because once we keep it here, the front view of the sofa is not very clear. Let me go through the sizes of these units first. This one is a four-seater, 9 feet out and out. Back height is 54 inches. Front to back, this is 38 inches. So as you can see, the front part, this is coming little out. So it's around 8 inches extra from the regular sofas. And I'll sit on it later. I'll show you all the views. And another interesting thing about this one is this is completely carved 360 degree. I'll show you the view of the back of the unit as well. This one is a three-seater. This is 7.5 feet left to right, front to back again 38 inches. Back height is 54. The stool is 2 feet round, 24 inches height. Coming to the chair here, a royal throne style chair. This is 42 inches left to right, again 54 inches high, front to back 36 inches, more than regular chair size. And one more chair here. I'll include the table also a little later. But let's see the design first, the work first. Is in teak wood, the first point. This is not resin, this is not fiber, this is teak wood, the real solid wood. And the paint work that you are looking at here is gold leafing. The golden part is not paint, it's gold leafing with the black paint shaded, as you can see here. So dual color. Leafing or gilding, as the process is known, is the most luxurious process in any furniture. And after leafing, there is no other thing so far that makes the furniture more luxurious. The gloss makes it look more royal, and the entire set, the entire look, once it's placed in the proper setup, will be the most luxurious set of ours till date. The curves, the design, the carving part, I'll remove some cushions because we have too many cushions on this one. And here you can see the handle part, the curves in the handles, both sides. And getting this shape in wood is one of the most difficult tasks. This is done by the master artisans who know the product, who know how to do it. Every drawing, every cutting, every carving is done by hand. We don't use big machines or we don't use any computer softwares to generate these drawings. And this set is out of a catalog image, an image that is available on internet, and we have produced the same thing, manufactured, crafted the same thing right here in front of you. I'll sit on one corner. Let me sit here. I can place a cushion here and I can sit very relaxed, and still you can see how big the entire thing is. And the background, I'll sit in the middle. That'll give you a better idea of the background. Here you can see the background right in the middle and how the sofa looks. When you have something really royal like this, it makes the place amazingly different, exclusive and royal. Coming to the chair, let's see the chair also. I'll remove the cushion so you can see the entire thing, the carving part, the entire carving part till the lower part, the front carving, and sides also. Let me show it to you. This is the side, and the 360 degree I was talking about. When we have something in solid teak wood, they are very heavy and not easy to move. I may need another person, but let me do it alone this time. Now you can see the back view of the unit. When you are placing the sofa set in the middle of the room, the back view is always important because this is visible. A plain look and a carved, completely designer look makes it very, very different from what the normal sofa sets offer to the space, to the theme, to the luxury, to the entire decoration. And this is what we have in the chair. I'll move the two things also and I'll show you the back part, but I'll need some help. Let's look at the 360-degree view of this unit. From the back also, the same amount of royalty, designer stuff, and the work that you can see, the carving, the design, the pattern that we have on the front, we have continued the same pattern at the back, and the carving on the lower part with the gold leafing. The entire thing here is carved till that side, as you can see here, and this is all solid teak wood, hand work, hand carving, hand gilding. The painters are also people who work by hand by small tools, and you get this kind of output out of the local people. And that's why this is one thing we are really proud of, because this art was there for years, but the main issue remained about the finishing part. We were known for very good carving always, but the finishing part remained an issue for us for a long time. And in last 4 to 5 years, we have done so much of work. 1500 plus videos on YouTube, thousands of images on testimonials on the website, different stuff, different colors, fabrics, designs. So much work we have done and delivered across the globe that anyone can see what the kind of work we are doing. When we have an amazing sofa like this, how can we forget a beautiful center table? There's 6 feet like this and 42 inches like this, and the carving 360-degree pattern you can see all around. Along with that, the texture paint that we have done in the middle, and once we have the glass on top of it, it's ready for use. Again, black and gold leafing all around, and the 360-degree carving on every side that makes it another masterpiece, a collectible and jewelry for your home. Jewelry, because furniture makes your home more beautiful, and that's why we call furniture jewelry of any place. And if you have such beautiful, such amazing sets, definitely it'll add more value, more aesthetics, more look to the entire place. A few points I like to cover very quickly. First, everything is in teak wood. This is not resin, this is not fiber. Second, everything is hand carving. This is not machine done. This is not done by any computers or a CNC machine. Real people are involved. So every order of yours gives work to a lot more people. Not only we are generating money for the economy, we are generating a lot of employment, lot of work, lot of opportunities for the local people who are getting this done. Third thing about the pricing. We are arson, you are the receiver. We are the factory making it, you are the receiver. There is no one in the middle. So the best price, factory price, best deal when you talk directly to arson. There is no trader, no commission agent, no one in the middle to take extra money. Fourth point is about the delivery. We deliver to your home in India or out of India. To 55 countries we have already delivered right to the door. So wherever you are, if you're looking for something really exclusive, really beautiful, solid, durable, and nicely crafted, Arson is the place. You can visit our YouTube channel. You can see us on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, on all other social media channels. We are present with our videos, with our stuff, with our pictures, and 99% of the actual images of real sofas, royal sofas you will get online are with the logo Arson, because we are making so much stuff for across the globe for architects, for interior designers, for home decorators, and the home buyers, homeowners themselves. This is one such set that doesn't need much explanation because everything is right visible here. Every work, details, the carving, the amazing work our artisans do is rightly visible here. So let us know what you want. Size, design, colors, fabrics, number of seats, everything and anything as per your choice. So far it is possible, and delivery to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.